do we have today?
Volcano.
Volcano. How did we make this volcano? We got an empty water bottle, okay, and we put expandable foam around it, and we painted it with the spray can. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this.
Wow.
Okay, like this. Okay, and then we put red color on it so that it looks like a real volcano lava. Okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna add baking soda.
Yes.
Look here. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Soda.
Tablespoon. Okay?
Okay. But it's not falling. Cool.
Okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna add what? Food coloring. Red color.
Yes.
Ana Maria, what color is this?
This sentence. Red. It's cool red.
Okay. Yeah.
Cool.
Are you ready for
Yes.
the volcano?
Yes.
Now when we add vinegar to the baking soda, it makes a chemical reaction.
Baking
Okay?
soda.
Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, it produces carbon dioxide. That's why it becomes bubbly and it will go up. Okay? Shall we try?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yeah. You want to put?
I want.
Yeah. Yeah, but remove.
I can.
Here, there, there.
I
Okay.
can.
Zoom here, mommy.
Wow!
Is it good?
Yes.
You see? Chemical reaction, bubbles, carbon dioxide. Okay? Cristiana, you want to try?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can.
Mommy, zoom to the lava.
Wow! This is cool. Yes.
Good. Is Ana Maria, you want to try? Yeah. How cool is that?
Very cool.
Do you see lava? You see? Yeah. Again? Yeah.
Yeah. But we don't.
We have to buy white vinegar soon.
Wow!
Okay? Yeah, let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye.